Today I am reviewing the Acer Add-in-One 24 desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are looking at a brilliant rethink of the classic desktop setup that is completely flipping the script on traditional computer hardware. We are diving into a comprehensive review of the Acer Add-in-One 24 desktop personal computer configured with the powerful Chromebox CX15. If you have ever owned a traditional all-in-one computer, you know the massive heartbreak that comes when the system gets slow or a single component breaks. Usually, you have to throw the entire expensive monitor and computer away. Acer has completely solved this dilemma with an ingenious modular approach designed specifically for home and business environments. Let us break down the technology, the everyday horsepower, and why this layout completely beats a standard all-in-one setup. Let us kick things off by explaining what makes the Add-in-One design so revolutionary compared to anything else on the market. Instead of fusing the computer parts permanently behind the screen, Acer has created a specialized, secure dock directly on the back of a premium 24-inch monitor. Slid safely inside this dock is a fully independent, standalone Acer Chromebox CX15. This creates a completely future-proof design. If your processing needs change down the road, or if you want to upgrade your hardware years from now, you do not need to buy a brand new monitor setup. You simply slide out the old Chromebox and swap in a newer model, saving you massive amounts of money and drastically reducing electronic waste. When it comes to raw processing horsepower, this machine delivers an exceptionally fast and responsive experience for everyday productivity. It is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i3-1215U processor running at a base clock of 1.0 GHz, with an impressive turbo boost capability up to 4.4 GHz. This 6-core, 8-thread engine features 2 dedicated performance cores, paired with Intel UHD graphics. Because it runs Chrome OS, which is an incredibly lightweight and highly optimized operating system, this hardware configuration makes the computer absolutely fly. To ensure effortless multitasking, the system is packed with a generous 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 128 GB of eMMC solid-state storage. Whether you are running complex spreadsheets, opening dozens of browser tabs, or streaming high-definition media, the system remains lightning fast and perfectly fluid. The display itself is a massive highlight for daily business use or home entertainment. It features a 23.8-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution IPS panel. Because it utilizes IPS technology, the screen delivers stunningly vibrant colors and ultra-wide viewing angles. The panel is surrounded by a sleek, modern narrow bezel that maximizes your screen real estate, and it is treated with a specialized anti-glare coating to reduce eye strain under harsh office lighting. For ergonomic comfort, the heavy-duty stand allows you to tilt the display between -5 degrees and 25 degrees, making it incredibly easy to find your perfect viewing position. Where this machine truly separates itself from standard desktops is its phenomenal, built-in optimization for virtual meetings and remote work. Video conferencing is a seamless, plug-and-play luxury here. Built right into the top of the monitor frame is a premium 115-degree wide-angle webcam, which easily captures a broad view of your home office or conference room. It also features a physical camera privacy shutter, so you can guarantee total security when you are off the clock. For high-end communication, the monitor packs an advanced dual microphone array alongside dual integrated 4-watt stereo speakers. To ensure you always sound perfectly professional, the system utilizes multiple artificial intelligence noise reduction modes. This smart software actively identifies and suppresses distracting background audio, like loud typing, barking dogs, or air conditioning units, delivering crystal-clear vocals to the people on the other end of your call. To wrap it all up, the Acer Add-in-One 24 is a masterclass in smart, sustainable computer engineering. By combining a beautiful Full HD IPS monitor, a top-tier AI-powered video conferencing layout, and a modular 12th generation Intel i3 Chromebox, Acer has built a desktop that easily outperforms and outlasts traditional all-in-one setups. It is incredibly fast, exceptionally user-friendly, and offers an unmatched upgrade path for the future. If you want a clean, clutter-free desktop setup for your home or business that will remain relevant for years to come, this package is an absolute home run.